Rumugusi.
Mbiamano sana umwanchi mulieri abigita seni kiandize TV chinga kitagenda kusanga naye mambe yabona iga imiumurobere obwinsakya nande tugokwarigania asentunde iga kerito tukumenya nga omugeni tengo ikira na rasi studio elinde tobe tugusanga amange kundo mwanchi mulieri ati amwarigani bene elinda tumanye na kyakorukwa na endenga yakorukuru karibu sana
Mbiamano moralia anengo akiregeta seni kia TV za andis TV mbiamano asa mareta ngoro Dominic Babu Babu no monyakero boda boda sub county ya Masaba North na ande Babu ne candidate korigekero ge county kosoga Nyerere ni coming president ya county to ya Nyamira chikura chire mutu tarehe 20 mutinyo sita umwaka oyo.
Okay akirikide nabo tumanya Babu nkimuna kimwero bereti bosi bo bacholi obo
obacholi omorarimbo bo bangire buya kirege ndo bangete duarose ndegoro ko election board kora unomo ACC ndo bundo yeto tuaro mo secretary okoro IBC ndo chorete kimnantu chi candidate etore batato ndo bato yore kirogo ndo bato no yomindo Victor Msuko na inche ndo ruete kero mondo chi agent ibere kosekere sub county yeto sano chire Nyamira ndo ruete kero mondo agent yae about ko basa election board.
Okay aha ndo chinga igalese county ya Nyamira anene egati abana boda boda ambaro roba kwamereria nga obocholi oboiga mbochi gokolekana ningi kirero gwatana neko koiga asensemeria abana boda boda
no ase county yeto ya Nyamira nengeti onete yokana bocholi mbokoru what is there in a time ya ikrea transition chikura che county che aged 5 years ago kero monyakero wo akwende miaka 5 so onete yokana de bocholi mbokoru we are going out with the program ye chikura mbuyere ne chikura ngwa kuchiro motinyo tarehe 20 indu tuomeranete all the candidates tokomera na alio service ya county commissioner Nyamira all the stakeholders were there we agreed the election ngo chirego koru egendo na de abantu baito penge mbiro biko qualify watch ko bole kero ye county to ya Nyamira article 11 ya BK yeto etoranda border association safety of Kenya.
Okay
iye kora une president yeto ya osomo national chairman yeto Kevin Mbadi ekina kege tengo wejugote na mangana ye chikura so article 11 ya goda omondo wende ko boli chikura che county bakao monyakero we sub county which qualifies me jikoboli keroge yes.
Okay ekero kuligeria nga obocholi oboiga borabe bogo kolekana kero kende egikakingana na kimokoira obocholi bomanya gokolekana
etoko genda omorari muno mojumbe muno mo MCA muno mo governor na wenge general election what we are going to do ne ndo ko kuchikura chinene obocholi obonene emiaka 5 yes
igomo umuntu ka ukuri miaka 5 nyabana boda boda bakoranga tabetika gwikirania biria beteka gukwana na bakumwaka isiko
na berego
aha kirikende ase miaka 5 asensemo yago ayabuno yokurigia ekeroge keiga manifesto yago neriyeye
umurari manifesto ya nena launch bwango iga na nena nyeronjeri ari magombo sub county ya Mangere siko sub county yane asina abwate bakabararia mangana ngati mbya bege tubake radio githini gokora bintu muna morogi oseko visa gotakana ari openness endo najo kolera bana boda boda ndo bwada weaknesses chinyinga se sector those challenges chinyinga se county to ya Nyamira whereby manifesto ya ne wa 13 agendas chigo cover all the okugani kwa bana boda boda egende getangani umurari kero na wekero gie kwa umonyakero we county egendo na kore ni ndosi ntoi karanse torigereri toroje munanje bono no monyakero we county ingo ende miaka 5 umonyakero we sub county ende miaka 5 umonyakero we ward ende miaka 3 umonyakero we stage ende miaka 3 bono ekero na muna bawo chikonga chikura all 12 SP gochaka igoro bakanse being a general election eto kwande miaka 5 egento kende gya kabere nindose nintwale mekakati muna abantu bane ba boda the chairmans bali stage barakonyu kera ba chairman abatware egento igoro special budgets egento kende kero wacho ruma de kero gie county chair abantu bange mbaka maide kene kero gekenene kero jo le kero keri ayo romonene you are equivalent to the governor of the county you are equivalent to the county commissioner you are equivalent to the county commander so kero kero na cho rumuna nje governor ya boda county ya Nyamira usomo president yobo nintu are kero boda assembly ekora una designated speaker asaba chairman abechu ward 20 bara karansa batoro machika ito ya county to gotumia inyora koruma ya gabana boda babere bakoramika the outgoing chairman overe ga okole bintu gete binde bitari biran constitutional wango da biran constitutional oise koligereria ebintu mbira gakora mune byobochori gode karuchiri bubere umawe tobochori karuchiri bus Chiribusato, those are unconstitutional under the article PK. Kenenge gote boru chibeso ma okorobo choli. Number 2 obere ga okorobo choli obwensi pia tabu ate ndo go election board. That is why to complain so much to kalika maro baga just president to Kevin Mbadi to kamo the election board nere tayo wende koligereriwa. Egendo kende gechande the county to ya Nyamira. Chairman ito oyore na oyubono gosoka ekera konyora mwiwana ini munayo mo chairman wastage ago jogorusio so isekolire binde bingo morali there is things togo miss gatiawo ngi dogo miss we miss egende goro kwa accountability kero se kwa ndogoro go choli stage yemo orusi go sene 1015 chibese jingo go ji account for number 2 as a constitution yana ninchukua all the sub county chairman wone gaba sub county chairman wane mbale banyanyasi ne county chair I will give them freedom bakolega asi ya abeli bachole I will not be tingo and also na nginda fiena autonomy yabo ase manifesto ya number 3 nimbo ate ngende ko kumna simbo ovona aba chairman bali bonse beji stage ba bere ba kolega sinyona bana ba gotochora na indu to ba chaite nimba simbo ovona batu are chipaji gete ba ko in case to are any presidency mo yegonde bwense as president na inje kinkwarte ne minister ni ko aba chairman bana ba wachi baji gete ba ko identify ba ko nyako sel wo fio fenyo to what the function the president yego chana intu aso the president ya to tegerera nintu are muno mogabana nintu are minister isato nintu are minister education era bege go de na mangana eji basari inyora bajamani aba bange morali ndu arenge na mbali ko kora maybe abange mbali ngasibaye musiaba do de gotenge gatengo dormina abandu edo bakonyora ji basari ejichira abakonye na ande minister education ebi nombiro bikoro ECD and youth polytechnics ekera mabaga sokire chances ndobe dogo negotiate no mugabana to nyora abana boda baito basomete na bange diga dogonya okora siasa chimbe toranga dogonya abanda baito banyore chigasi nintuare ne minister ya devolution ekoligereria mangana devolution roads kipara chisaregete ngo igora mura baito bakonya kolera umwe musio mate na bago beka budget chibara na ndo tuaregete ngitu muna boda to go face mo governor was the executive ye county uteneda mangana chibara to amode to amorikere memorando yetu amode chibara ja sabana boda baito bagweta they have a lot of problems na ndua bege yendo yedo nintuare minister for trade and finance omorali nda edo go deke maende kya mangana Chisako Jones bija jagete una the outgoing chairman include ngere saka bwada ali Nyamira South ali ede chibabantu bobe those circles are dead saka and stay okoragas I will see the way of reviving them through a minister to a minister of finance and trade e cooperate in executive bariwe county oise kwa na another county seba ichogede those systems they are working nintu arene welfare abana boda baito babeire bago tuomu umurari omondo tuomu otige family yake enke tabo tebwat kende yons ni mbwate program nango jikorosie ndigi abaisani we make those things ndige company ya moya insurance tobe kabana boda boda baitororo ekero kwanyorera achali gose kwakure umongino at least otwara kende gonya ko sustain nero chikonyora chinguru chimode mutwari togoku ne family yawe atigarage cyane gete myaka yonse at least insurance ne mwachi besa yugulgusinga kichi besa echi nabo jigosukyo mo oyakolere bakakanya ole chinguru will do anye no mondo mwana will do business I will encourage ningore gazine national chair to partner with the NHIF to make sure nga abana boda boda baito banyamira bagotwara all of them the NHIF card in case bakonyora accident NHIF area bakaba abandu baito murari baone ya maremo sana if you go everywhere go you monda karete no egyo boli mugwabugeru wekengere under my leadership that one will be not there nindigi abaraya bambara abanga abakolige birogo we have many aspirants na boda boda babanga na bago barari chikura babeka chi reflectors chabo I'll talk with some ndole ngaki bakonyora the driving license in my first office ese miage tano baranga borai I will ensure all the boda boda riders were within the county of Nyamira all of them they have driving license valid driving license na lira megna aramanga safety ma da muna baito murari this boda boda was started by a former president the late Kibaki na ande jare tu gore ne konya vijana njia jide gobeke rumachiko mbona machiganya korosukoro ari senate ni ntuare ndo wekoro ku ni korega sine serikali ne county government tigana gote yo morali you can't not talk or ni banda babera at the same time you are a leader bakangorega sine national chair ana ari mo president ambo atoko boko to mereji minister muna babo muna azinyanza ndobwada several ministers sirwe nya ndobwada Eliodo Waro ndobwada mo PSO interior PSO Molo ndobwada minister Ezekiel Majogu if we give all these people dobe ndoko na baragwe gasi abano resources chire ozo wekera Majogu na bongo mokwana mote ni mbwata bali mu ikomba boda boda tago batangirira babere togo ikaranzo gero mu minister wala na mama de ni mbwata barari ari bakolete nini nabona yaro konyorombeke yo mono nke no estivite announce PSO mono nero teneta mangana intile inyone ministry nere enene sana a ministry of interior and coordination yonere coordinate all the government activities na boto konya abantu baito so we should not give them a back we should work with them injemune chairman or president the county vice konga kerekura I will include all of them in decision making the current chair the outgoing chair how kore bindo bia tariko to rangeli ntutu awero for 5 years omora rise ko mboli ndo ekananze meeting ya Nyamira okwa na mangana ya magendero na bona aseke ose na bora akumi never egero to korangelo ago to rangelo Nyamira maybe arige tactic ya ngene county commission otongaine kwenda kobeka chia agenda chia chinchafu lakini ose koligereria nige to kene kara to agene karto kamba mangana revenue for the 5 years ko 2019 omorari ko 2019 duanya we karanza ikaro eko kama ne katiba katiba bone ga da otuko chairman yakoraera ne yako ndoro chi cyber mali otebeke otebe gonyi otorana but indumuna to joranda bieke ma ndo wate katiberi abieke no ago jonye bisango jatore tu atomeru ko national na ntwanye twara twara alingerie bipenga nyondi to tabuati angabono tu NCP to bekire roche so amangana health care no arase manifesto yane are manifesto number 11 I will share with you as a manifesto ya healthcare healthcare na robonda afya ndio mali igona gnada bakero mwana boda boda I will encourage ni munimbe nintu are public participation na bana boda boda we county ngima tore muna gero monda go tware NHIF neji driving license finally njedingo jigo be ko bisi ana ari asabe gete ke banda gete yo I will work with the national center county commissioner in office next to your office kera now being a county chair was a county governor was a county boda boda commissioner bakambo ndo twara obisere very smart all those things ndengerati egendo konyana nebire ese manifesto ya nani mbwate gendo ekoroku county border welfare use sako wonega chiward chito 20 jire Nyamira ward they wa the sako.
Okay.
I will make sure chiward ye chini nindigi. I know I will look for a donor nimo Nyasaye nangete ebisio go sinangete omanyi and I closely I will partner with all the leaders by county there Nyamira. I will partner with them Senator Ito Kongo Mogeni. I will partner with them Governor Nyaribo. Partner no women rep Ito Jerusalem Maya and all the members of parliament. Torenga Gdoko Igore Sako everywhere in every ward.
Okay.
So that one Jesa county ma denji have affected Chikaibwa. Oma to mwana boda na to the umurari. Mwana boda the honesty and accountability. Once kwa bekiro mwana boda abana boda osekoro osige giyo bade no aba no 5 bob ke bwato mwerekeo bakuru. Let's say mna one for example ase sako itaria Masaba North asi no Monyakirobo. Esake tu anyendike to kaigore association. Ka tu anyore sake ye wada a lot of queries chibe cha rweto jinde chebetu. Nyedinye tikonya kominyokyo montorengo. No mbono Monyakirobo ito bwe county bindo ne binga sare tingo chiko mominyoki. Edora mode yari tae buya usati moke buya azazini ya citizen ya boda. Kera oma edo no nyako mominyoki stiri ora nyako mo president ko mode yati ati moke buya. Mna wono Masaba North nimbate sako ite what over 1.5 nindo netyo ange 700 to da bantu baito bone go mondora se sako eri ita se ko takebesa no ne yo kwende school waka no mwana school fees they are available.
Okay.
Number 2 ingia ko rango sabe kerogeke ekeroge ko bora ibwa bero bo chafu bora ibwa twali robo nyire se county to ya Nyamira wo nyiro bobe omo chairman weke oro wako boko obuta abantu munada the stage what I will do we call it one Masaba North more than that stages cha benefit in over Iwane.
Okay.
They have got what we call youth fund. That is over 3 million.
Okay.
Kere president the now president the deputy president na to changere to over 1.7 chiakonyira abantu but those money we distributed because of devolution they distribute every stages ekanyora 67,000 umo women rep ito.
Okay.
I want to tanga ndu ajete riri kero siasa ndu abete nere umetele kero ke no ba okano mo morali ba kebe gia siasa kero ke want to assure you ba kebe gia siasa ni ho de ba kebe gia siasa to go de ya de anojo robe to kora no mo gavana obe to kora no mo senator obe to kora no ndo wenzo fauru no ba ko ikaranze na banda abons pinze na ubara ko konyo mo ngina na bata affirmative action omo senator mba to oversight you have to sit with them bakwa ni balika na ni bakovekera no ni ma to mo senator mo ikaranze na ere buya to ko nyoro de binenu ko oversight bando beno banyore kende.
Okay.
Omo women na what we call affirmative action fund which many people have been overcoming. I want to je umwagerambo ya mono so far in Masaba North ebi ombange sita bya ange nane bya boda bya benefit ne fund yeyu. You know it is a affirmative action fund edaliko irana but it is being monitored ngakichiko tumeka egento kenana goteba umo obajumbe. I will work with all the members of parliament bare Nyamira. Ningore gazi no moske Patrick Osero. My member of parliament, the super MP moske Mheshimiwa Clive Mbanegisairo. Ningore gazi na Steve Mogaka. Ningore gazi na omo Mheshimiwa Nyamoko who has been a long term friend. Ngingo the very go. If we work with these people, bakoko nyeboda bodo mo jume na wate ngegoro ku what we call NGDF. Chino kwa no negotiate abantu babanyora driving license jinateba. Nindiyo motenene obwa bajume muna Mheshimiwa Nyamoko. Motebi gagoda gorangera bajumba abatu karantorole. So there is some rules samajiko na naro kinde kimbwate delegation kimbwate county assembly yane. We'll make sure to mero mo speak mwano ito ya Okero. Majiko na ari andara makong. We sit with him. Omaitege ndege tarikende no bongo sejisemyo montako woronke ko ngakinga kiokore. We need to develop a border a sector ya border. Osikoligeri muna bono bosongo gaiga. Okonyoro mo chairman they work with the governor. And ba kolega asiengia sana. No nyagere gaji pasa ri bara we babwate bakegetengo kiabo. Ndubono mbono tokonya wadaputie bindebi. egento ngina bagote umurari inje coordinator ya boda boda Nyanza ngima na atemire kuratara no Homa Bay. You go to look the way the people of Homa Bay are working. Ogoja kwa Ichaya. Umugavana wa Homa Bay, Her Excellency Madam Gladys Wanga. Abantu ba boda boda bale ko mokolere campaign. Saidi abantu 100. Aba imugi monsipi akawabeka enforcement. If we work with these channels, bakatoli ka abantu baito. Under my leadership, madam, I'm telling you, we know how we work. Amura baito mbare basomere the driving, bali ba many boda boda banda boda boda bali di. Na ande bali but again no get out there at school. All those guys they went to school. Bana bantu basomete. Neri goro batara nyoro mundo ko bwato ko bogo boro kinga ki to so ego chia onyore ke bago. Number igendo gene na ga ne gero na ba ngere gero gege. Ninga ni to itobote. Ningo de gero to itobote. Na ora nyoro mwanyoro usina mabaga bere yo kolika bantu baina se county. Obata bantu 100. Umate bako bale tamu bade na nyoro mabaga. Bandi tigato itobote tigato maybe to konye bali bare so poor bali bara bataka. If we want to move this sector. Number 2 is ko governor ya Homa Bay. Omo chairman wa Homa Bay county boda boda. Amo vegete angene ofisi ya. Ingi amo vegerete yo. Bana boda boda baise kutaka kene yonse ndi employment. No arango minyoko boli ngaki. Aba mura balene ngwale ko bama bagabera tato yegas. Those are the leadership we want. So oisoko bayoro munyagero for the last 5 years ngwanya wakoda gende. Kwa wama baga kwali ka you are close relatives. Tolikoli ka banda abande gasi. Oma devolution yegara yajede duanyagere de jingobi. And we thank the abantu baros the 2010 constitution as na rengo yomo na njana nyagere de kura. Lakini ne implementation as a leadership wa boda boda nero ya bere nko Nyamira. Okay. Which I will make sure now it works. So first umurarinje munango wegende keke tangani no ko make sure to NCP aba chairman we stage aba chairman we ward aba chairman we sub county ne county eto korega asie miaka 5. We will be in office for 5 years.
Ngaitenga ibiro bieto byatenyorire kigima babu atagetenko eli baga liago liabene lindo kwanire nabana boda boda bali be county ya Nyamira bosibo bocholi ngaitenga ntushitoli gichinka kichinde elinde toeresera mangana ya subwagale igendo nato yabana boda boda baito be county ya Nyamira bali bawa kachikura moso abantu ojo waga neji delegates ya baraba chairman muzoko ga delegates baraba ba chairman delegates 300 Egendo na usababa chairman delegates nje muna Dominic Babu ngende ketanga na basabire kura yeno tare 20 ngoko reli da Dominic Babu ayebeke tik because chikure yoja kwa secret parod ayake robo ngakere kura nimba the slogan ya ne madam slogan ya ne kwa team Babu team change ndo da the change team Babu team change team development yoda the change na magendo tali change ojo kwebera bana boda boda. Okay. Endo na ote yabana boda boda baito banyamira na mbone nanyo na chaka ndabakwaneti na tumira maiga na bata bichinga kijine chembura kundi chipiki chino ngora. Okay. Tole nda matobe na ale para aba chairman bane yena ngora tare 20 mumbe kasa masabo na ndimnangonya kwa nda masabo mo njeno mo SDA. I go to church every Saturday. Ndengati ubura ina waromboda yedo mundu ajete Nyasaye mucha Mungu. Boda yedo mundu dari kwenda kanisa. Kabisa. Because karudo da yo Nyasaye God gives. God gives and takes. Na wonya sawa ko bora ina nda ko ule onye toliko bwati na mune bukwe goteba. Asaba ndo beto banyamira ariko bade chinenga kiche campaign tobe komolembe ndo bwezi ko sabakura to murama. Na ndekero mundu gawoja ko basabe kura na yare digabe ke manifesto ya MS na njimuna na bege yane taba de yawo ja konyereda jinga gichiri cyo moizo adina yawo ja korede manifesto ya manifesto nere ogwachikura manifesto no ruto mbaro nje di manifesto babora before election kero mundu akagore manifesto yo mundu bono nje nanga gara manifesto echine kina abero mutangani bare ko ngachikura ichonse bindoje nabona ale koleto bochenjo bonena se county to ya Nyamira ya abere maega
kiboda boda sama gendra boda.
Okay, mbia yes. Mono sana se ukurwingani iyo moelio na mbia mono sana so wikira na se studio abayigo gosanga 9 asensemeri ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital Felix nyakundi akatanga good morning. Leo ni Friday ebwato ketuko ndani Virginia Geslin Nyabs akatanga pamoja from Doha Qatar hadi mwisho. Rose Michemo kurwa Nairobi Pipeline Mongine Del Monte na Habi Naftal Onyango Noare. Mwalimu Edward Satabanga watching from Machakos CBD. Hatanga rain the whole night but not flooded. Kuna raha ndani ya Ensakia keeping warm at Ndizi TV. Mbia mono sana. Nelson Onditi hatanga from Keumbu. Frida tunakupenda #Ensakia is taking over. Salimia Maangi na ukitoka ukujila nchi. Mbia mono sana Nelson. Victor Omondi mienda na agenda takubuati umorobili kurasti nsemo chirichia Nairobi West kupamoja hadi tamati. Evans Mukuwako rwa Emo Mosaiba Keroka watching. Edwin Matagaro Brownio Nchari akiwa Estate of Nyariacho, the capital city of Nyamira County, tuned in. Kerondo Chenga Jason Onsembe kura Chitago amono mwanchione Karen Gesare nonde imeyomorobili mpaka omoeli mambingi ya mwensi. Tebanga Fred Nyakinyanya Robert Kerandi Naftari Nyausi Jane Kirubo Justin Ogoti Evelyn Wikeri Evelyn Omangi basoe imeyomorobili. Kerondo Chenga Jeria Kirubo good morning to Fred Nyandie kama sima pamoja na Caleb Rasugu na Isaya Nyatundo Wasio Kimau na Baibori Bane Samuel Ongeri na Mama Maria Ongeri bakanyimbo mwakiage village na batagerera bonsi batwale litkuligia. Mbia mono sana mwanchi mulire kwa bere gukubwati umorobili gwensakia ngagete ngatoko so sensemeli ya kabere studio toko wirana ndobe toko merana Sara Stanish atoletere umorobili bwe atoke twaro buligelia borobuya ile terene Frida Kerubo.
Mbia mono morali
Ndizi TV Ubwansu.